Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Free from DigitizerX. Today we've done something amazing. I'm gonna show you guys the wonder of AI. We've created something which is out of the world. It's like the way it is created, that's out of the world. Our client needed an employee tracking and punch-in system within 2 days, and we created that in 1.5 days using AI. Now, I personally don't come with any software background. I have no software background. I have no project managing background. I have no developer background. But this is something that runs on software that require the development from web and needed a project management, all within 1.5 days with the help of AI. I'm going to walk you through the process. I'm going to walk you through the website that we've created. I'm going to show you how to do it, how things are connected, and how AI is changing the world. So follow along and let's get started. So it's pretty basic. It's a store login clock software where we log in for a particular store. There's employee IDs, which are very specific for each employee, and their own passwords. There's two parts of it. One's the admin part of it, and the other is employee part of it. Employees are pretty much, as the name suggests, can punch in, punch out, go on a meal, and note their meal. What the software does is record whenever the employee does things, whatever things he does, and there's the admin part of it. First, let's just dive in with the employee part of it. So it's pretty simple, and there's not a lot to it, right? And so it's basic. You could punch in, punch out for your shift. There's break in whenever you go on your meal, then break out whenever you come back. Now you can change your password depending if you forgot your password or you feel like you've got something very strong password on your head. You can change your password by yourself. And then this is something interesting that our client wanted. He wanted a record of someone if someone forgets about their shift, right? And then I do it very often too, right? Like one day I go in and then I forgot about punching in because I was in such a rush. So then this is one feature that is very good. You can request a missing punch. You can select what time you forgot to punch in, and then you can write your request and you can submit the request. This request then goes to your admin and they approve of it if they see whatever the reason was, right? And you can also have a brief about your punch history. It's very time specific, year specific, month specific. You could see 2025 July, whatever week or whatever date you want to see for whenever you punch it. So it'll tell you, okay, you were in at this time, you were breaking in, breaking out, and then out time, right? So this is pretty much standard. And if you have any of your punch requests, you could just see it all here. This is pretty much standard. That's any clock. But what's amazing is the admin part of it too, right? So let's log into our clock and see what I'm talking about. So that was the employee part of it, and now comes the admin part of it. Admin is very specific. They have their own ID, they have their own password too, depending on what they want to set it as. Now this is the admin dashboard. Welcome to Smart Castle, Priyansh, right? Who doesn't like the smarts? Now, what our client wanted was an interesting part of it. He wanted a user management, but he also wanted to have a right of employees having to reset their own password within 90 days. So if you by any case you don't reset your password within 90 days, the system automatically locks you out, tells you, hey, you gotta reset your password, and then you have to reset the password and lock in. This is something that all the cybersecurity firms have been doing, and with the help of AI, we were able to integrate it. Look, guys, this is everything I'm talking about. I didn't have the knowledge to do it. I'm being upfront with you. I didn't have the skills to do it if it was like 2 years back. But how we did it is because we learned AI. We learned APIs. We learned specificity on how to integrate AI within the system. And this is all the product of it. We sold this software. We made a pretty huge chunk out of it. And then me and my partner opened a way to show you guys and help you figure out that this is a revolution. This is the future, right? So let's just start off. So I can search by an employee by their name or their last name or employee ID, however they want it. You can add an employee by their email, employee ID, and you can give you can give different rights, employee, admin, manager, supervisor, whatever you need. AI will create it for you, right? And then there's the employee list for how many ever employees you have. You can edit their employee data, whatever, whenever you want to edit it. You could delete the employee if the employees, for whatever reasons, left the organization. You can reset their own password, which one of our clients wanted, right? Now that is the employee management part of it. Comes the punch history. It's pretty simple. It's very time specific. 2025 year, July, whatever week you want to go in, you could see all your employees. So green denotes punch in, punch out, break in, break out. You'll see everything that happened during that particular day, right? That is something that one of our clients really appreciated about the software, is the full transparency of having control over their employee requests. Now, this is the punch request I was talking to you guys about. If I miss it and miss a day and I want to do request a missing punch, that's where my manager would see all the punching requests, and he could accept and deny based on whatever he likes about my reason, or if he sees the reason was feasible, right? Now, this is one important part that a lot of software companies didn't do or didn't integrate into their clocks, which our client wanted, and this is one part that we really stick out to him, and he wanted to go forward with us because of this part. What he wanted was to have a daily report, bi-weekly report for payroll purposes. Now, you could also, like, daily report will create a daily report for the day, how the amount of employees that punched in, the amount of hours that were worked, the amount of breaks that were taken. Bi-weekly report is for payroll purposes, the amount of hours that are punched in, the amount of hours that are punched out. You could just directly download it in a form of Excel or PDF based on whatever the client wants. The bi-weekly report includes the employee name, title, everything, like the amount of hours worked, the amount of break taken, total number of paid hours. You could send it to your CPA. They can do their payroll process, or you could have your payroll processing however you want it. Now, one part about this whole software that we were able to create with the help of AI was to have a custom report depending on the days, or depending on, like, say you want to have a report for only 2 days and you want to see why my volume was high on those 2 days. You could have it. You can also select the amount of employees you want to look at for, and you can generate the custom report based on that. Just look at the user interface, man. It's so user friendly. It's very easy to understand, right on it. And this is what you think AI do. That's how we did this one. Password request. If someone wants to reset their password, they send you a request and you can have control over their password request. Now, guys, this is where I want to have your attention, right? All of this was possible because we were able to learn about AI, not because we were able to go on a school, learn software engineering course for 4 years, do the software coding. I don't have the knowledge for Python. I don't have the knowledge for React. I don't have JavaScript knowledge at all. But now, because of AI, it writes me the code. I had a vision, and this is how it implemented, right? Me and my partner is a pharmaceutical background. He had no knowledge about AI. He had no knowledge about engineering software and no developing. But then we were able to create this with the help of AI. You learn about AI. Now's the time to be a part of revolution, man. This is the revolution that's happening. As the CEO of NVIDIA said the other day, there's going to be more millionaires in this AI revolution than there were in IT revolution. Why? And I support him totally, because for what we've done, I knew I wouldn't be able to do it 2 years. Like, hands down, I wouldn't be able to do any of it without the help of AI. But you think about it, you write the prompts, you be very specific, it will help you to create this. And we are looking for people who want to be a part of this revolution. So if you are one of those employees who want to be a part of this revolution, who wants to come out of that employee era and be a part of something that's going to change the future, DM on this video or comment on this video saying AI, me and my team would reach out to you. We have tons of clients reaching out to us daily, wanting to have their projects done, but it's just me and my partner. We're not able to manage the workload. So if you want to be a part of it, if you're someone who knows a little bit about AI, we will train you, we will help you. There's even a course that we've made. We will have everything. Just write in the comments why you would be a suitable choice for this revolution, and me and my partner will come get you. This is amazing. Be a part of this revolution. There are multiple projects that me and my team's been working on right now. It's just the start. And this is nothing. This is a basic software. As I say, they wanted it in 2 days. We made it in 1.5 days. There's so big software that we're working on for all the people in pharma who would know about SAP. We're working to automate the whole process. We're working on pharmaceutical backgrounds, inventory management, user management, if you want to digitize or if you want to integrate AI into your businesses, tell us anything and we'll be able to help you. DigitizerX is going to revolutionize the world. DigitizerX is going to revolutionize how AI is used on daily to daily basis. This is just the start of it, but we're coming for you. And if you want to be a part of this revolution, drop down a comment and me and my partner will come help you out.